Kweku, so tell us, how did the interested parties feel about this adjournment?
Well, so the court proceeding actually did not start at all because the presiding judge who was supposed to be there to call the case for the case to proceed did not go on. But of course, the editor of this online news portal where this gentleman who was shot, where some of them have been quite distraught that for the sixth time the case is not proceeding and it means the wheels of justice is still turning very slowly. But of course, it's left to be seen what actions the Chief Justice will take in relation to this sixth judge who, because of ill health, has not been attending to this case for the past 2 weeks or so now, leading the case to be adjourned every single week in court. And so today, that's what happened. Those interested persons who came to court a little bit down, they thought that it is delaying justice, it is letting down the wheels of justice tend to quite slowly. But they are hopeful that the Chief Justice will act on them. The documents that have been sent from the Circuit Court to them to get a new judge to sit on this case up until Justice Emmanuel Bodu is quite fine to be able to deal with the case. Emmanuel Tando.
Right. Kweku, do we know when they would hear from the Chief Justice? Do they have any such indication that this is the timelines that the Chief Justice will be working with in terms of assigning this case to another court?
They do not, but they have adjourned this case to Monday, 11 January, hoping that by 11 January, that is Monday, the Chief Justice would have acted on these documents that is sent to them and assigned a new court judge to sit on this case. And so that is what we are all expecting. We are all hoping that by Monday, a new judge would have been assigned by the Chief Justice to deal with this case. But the court cannot give us any strict timeline for which they expect the Chief Justice to act on that.
I'm sure you interacted with the Newswatch editor. Do we have any information about the welfare of Pius Sisiedu, this man who took a bullet in the leg?
Right. Before this case, we've been having some interactions with the editor who has been telling us that the gentleman has had some metal plates in his leg, among other things, in the court. And so they are so monitoring the situation for a while now, but for the time being, he's doing very fine.
What about the other parties involved? Were they there?
They were not in court.
They're not even their lawyers?
No. Because it's a criminal trial, it's between the state and then this Kola. And because the judge was sick, what I'm sensing is that this was communicated to the police prosecutor. And so, the accused person, Kola, was not even brought to court because the judge was sick and they knew beforehand that this case was not going to be called. And so they did not even bring him to court.
Kweku, thank you very much. Keep following the case. We'll come back to you when there are more developments. Kweku Asante is our man on the ground.